Hello and welcome to Lessons with the King, your daily show to make your day in life just a little bit better. Today's lesson 1753, walk in nature to feel better. Walk in nature to feel better. Man, life will happen. You wanted that thing, you didn't get it. Like many things can happen. And what I've learned is getting out of my house, getting out on, like, I'm lucky enough to live by a trail, just getting out there and walk just does things to you, man. It gets those happy hormones firing. So, it does something to my brain. Like, go out there, take the fresh air, commune with the trees. Nature will always take care of you. From 1753, when was the last time I walked in nature? Lesson 1753, walk in nature to feel better. I'll see you soon.